Hello guys, this is me Aditya from Entrance Prasikshan, and in today's video I am going to talk about my personal experience when I gave CUET in 2021 along with my personal interview and micro presentation, as I have been getting a lot of queries regarding the same after Christ University have released their forms for the academic year 2022. So without much ado, let's get started. So starting with my academic background, I was from humanities non-maths background. The reason I took humanities was science में पहले से interest था नहीं and maths was not my cup of tea. So I thought humanities is something which I want to explore right now. So that's the reason I took humanities. And unlike others, when teachers used to ask class में सबको क्या बनना है बड़े होके, my mates were like किसी को lawyer बनना है, किसी को IAS, IPS, etc. And me sitting there, I was like, bro, इसमें तो नहीं जाना boss. I want to do something in management. तो तब से था कि I wanted to do something related to management only. So that's why when I started my research and मेरे को क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में पता चला, then I applied for 2 programs over here, BA Economic Honors and BBA. Coming to my preparation strategy, I prepared 20 to 30 days roughly अच्छे से for CUET. How did I tackle different section? Let's come to that. Coming firstly to LR. LR was something which I was pretty confident at क्योंकि मेरा वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong था, and I just practiced different sets of questions from different topics. So yeah, LR हो जाता था आराम से. आप अगर 10 दिन आपके पास टाइम है, आप अगर 1 घंटा भी डिवोट करते हो पर डे, it's more than enough for LR. LR is something which you don't need extra amount of practice. It's just you need to understand the concept for each and every questions. Then coming to maths. Maths was something which I had to practice because मैं non-maths था, so I practiced arithmetic more as it is the dominant part in CUET, and I practiced number system के कुछ questions, log, statistics and all. Coming to English, English के लिए I used to do RCs every day. सोने से पहले एक RC करना था मेरे को, तो I used to have my timer set, एक RC रोज करना है, तो that's how I did English and antonym synonym के questions, basic grammar, so English was good to go. Coming to GK, GK was something I had to stress on, like starting in current GK, तो 2 अलग-अलग चीज थी, I didn't know how to prepare for it, but luckily got guidance from some people who are currently in Christ, जो पहले के बैच से, तो उन्होंने मेरे को बताया ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. For GK, for static GK, coming to static GK, मैंने static GK की I had this book from called Arihant की कुछ book थी. That book helped me. That book was basically for CLAT, but उसमें static GK था, तो मैंने वहाँ से कर लिया था. Questions came from there. And मैंने कुछ YouTube videos देखे थे, most important static GK questions from bank, PSO exams and all that. So which helped me eventually. कुछ questions आए थे. And for current GK, I used to read current affairs every day. Coming to data interpretation, I used to practice table chart, pie chart every day. And accounts was something new to me. So accounts का भी एक section होता है जिन्हें नहीं पता. तो accounts I didn't had in my plus 12. Like I have to prepare for this. So जिन्होंने first round दिए थे, मैंने उनसे पूछा था क्या क्या questions आए थे. तो depreciation was ज़्यादा आया था, तो मैंने depreciation अच्छे से practice किया था, कुछ important questions, terms and all that. तो accounts भी हो गया था eventually. And then the big day, the examination day, I got a mail from Christ University stating that from 3 to 3:30 you can give your exam in between this time, and आपका paper 120 minutes, 120 questions, and I was like, आदि बॉस ये तो करना पड़ेगा. तो 3:15 I started my paper. First question of quants, average का question था. I didn't knew seriously, and I was full of anxiety. एक क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ, मैं क्या करूंगा. आपको यही टाइम में काम माइंडेड रहना है कि आपसे एक क्वेश्चन नहीं हो, चिल मारो. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पड़े, 120 क्वेश्चंस, आपको आराम से आप बहुत सारे आगे अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी कि इजी सी क्वेश्चन को टारगेट करना. आप आई डिडंट न्यू दैट. आई वाज फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी. सेकंड क्वेश्चन आराम से हो गया. सो क्वांट्स में मेरा पेपर आराम से हो गया था. आउट ऑफ 120 आई अटेम्प्टेड 82 क्वेश्चन, आउट ऑफ विच 80 वर करेक्ट. सो फॉर इन वर्बल एनालॉजी के क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे आए थे. नंबर सीरीज, ब्लड रिलेशन, ये सबसे आए थे. LR, तो LR बस हो गया था मेरा आराम से. इंग्लिश में छोटे छोटे RCs आए थे, एज आई सेड एंटोनिम सिनोनिम के क्वेश्चन, बेसिक ग्रामर के. तो इंग्लिश वाज ऑल ओके. GK वाज रियली टफ. एक तो 2008 का भी कुछ क्वेश्चन आया था. आई डिडंट न्यू दैट. GK जैसे तैसे हो गया था. अकाउंट्स वाज इजी, एंड अकाउंट्स में वही डेप्रिसिएशन आए थे, जो मिक्स टर्म्स होते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स जो आपको 11th 12 आपके पास अकाउंट्स में, तो यू गुड टू गो. And coming to quants part, quants was dominated by arithmetic, percentages के क्वेश्चन थे, averages के क्वेश्चन थे, PNC के क्वेश्चन थे, probability के क्वेश्चन थे, profit and loss के क्वेश्चन थे, statistics was there, and coming to data interpretation, 2 table chart के क्वेश्चन आए थे, and मेरे में statistics was there surprisingly, as I had मैंने practice की थी, and I had economics in my plus 2. I didn't have to मेरे को स्ट्रेस नहीं करना पड़ा कि ये नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. हो गया था इवेंचुअली, क्योंकि स्टैटिस्टिक्स मैंने प्रैक्टिस की थी. मीन मीडियन मोड के क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा आए थे, एंड एक दो फॉर्मूला बेस्ड भी आए थे. तो दैट्स हाउ माय CUET वेंट. एंड देन वाज द बिग थिंग, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू एंड माइक्रो प्रेजेंटेशन. माय प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर द सेम वाज, फॉर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू I had to brush up my economics, so I brushed up that. मैंने जितने भी मिनिस्टर्स थे सारे के नाम याद कर लिए थे बिकॉज वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पूछते हैं लोग. I was into digital marketing, उसके related questions मैंने prepare किए थे. And for personal micro presentation, जितने भी round 1 में question इनसे topics पूछे गए थे, मैंने वो practice कर लिए थे. Trending topics उस time farm bills था, COVID था, all that I practiced all of that. And then my personal interview happened. There were 2 analysts there. Both of them were male professors. They came, they greeted me, I greeted them. They asked me my introduction. I prepared my full-fledged introduction, which मैंने पहले से prepare करके रखा था. I gave them, and they were impressed. After that, they asked me 2 questions related to digital marketing, related to content marketing and SMM. I answered them. Then they asked me questions related to economics, demand curve, supply curve, types of market, and one more question was there. I don't remember as of now, but I didn't answer that. And after that, they asked me 3 ministers, the Education Minister, RBI Governor, and Railway Minister. I answered all of them, and they were satisfied with my answers. And that's how my presentation personal interview went. And the results were announced. I got selected for the main campus for BA Economic Program, and for BBA I got into Kingri, Delhi NCR, and Lavasa campus. That's it from my side. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share if you found this video helpful, comment down your views, subscribe our channel. It was my personal experience of Christ University entrance test, and all the best to you all who are giving Christ University this year.